Hello. So this is clearly an oscillatory motion, and for oscillatory motion, the angular frequency omega is given by the square root of the spring constant over m. So here, the first part of the question, we want to find the spring constant. So what we're going to do is we're going to square both sides to get rid of the root sign. So we're going to have omega squared. That's going to be equal to k over m, right? So our spring constant, k, is going to be omega squared times m. All right, but omega is 2 pi f. So this can be equal to 2 pi f squared times m. That's going to be 4 pi squared f squared.